Hey guys, and welcome back.
And if you're new here, thanks for joining us today.
So today we want to take you on a mini adventure. Where are we going?
Gumbo Limbo Nature Center.
So if you're staying at one of the 1,000 Trails Collection, Breezy Hills, or Highland Woods, this is just approximately 9 miles away. It's in Boca Raton. I Google mapped it. It's in Boca Raton, right across from the beach. And
it's free.
It's free.
You can add a donation to help save the turtles.
Right, so it's a sanctuary, and there's a little mini hiking trail in here as well.
A birding trail.
I think it's less than a mile though.
It's the Florida part of the Florida birding trail.
All right, well let's go inside and check it out. Okay. So if you're here around this time frame, the nesting season is March 1st through October 31st. And as pedestrians or people find little hatchlings on the beach or wherever, they can come and drop them off in here. It looks like this is what they have right now. Let's go ahead and head in. Alright, so Lou's got the map and we're gonna make our way over to see the hatchlings.
First wildlife
wildlife site. Come on, a squirrel. She is eating the gopher's lettuce. So let's go see the hatchlings and the gopher and the seahorses. Is she munching down there? She's facing down.
Should I be taking it now?
I think so. So cute. In here. So the little aquarium with the seahorses and stuff are super cute. We're gonna work our way over to the little nesting area now. Before we work our way to the left to the sea turtle rehabilitation, Lou and Zoe wanted to come over here and check out these aquariums. Let's see what we can find.
Do you mind telling us?
Do you mind saying it on camera? What's going on? No? Okay.
He has what is called bubble gut, which means air bubbles have formed underneath his shell. And nature might eventually take care of that. But in the meantime, he's very buoyant. And he can't get down where he's safe. So there's a spot where he can wedge his head up against the wall, and then he can take a nap.
Take a nap.
They can stay down for up to 6 hours.
Oh, that's a really long time.
And their heart beats once every 9 minutes.
Now, is it going to be hard for him to come back up for air since the bubbles are keeping his butt floated?
No, as soon as he pushes away from the wall, he comes right up.
Come right up, okay. And that's a male, since you're saying
we don't know for sure.
Okay.
It's a little hard to tell.
Right, okay.
So they get a lot older.
Okay. How old is he?
I think he's about 7 or 8.
Oh, hey, wow. So he's still a baby.
Yeah, they can live up to 100 years.
Yeah, 7 is a baby.
Bubble butt.
He has my sympathy. If you look at her right front flipper, it's only up about to the elbow.
Okay. Oh yes, we see that.
And she's blind in one eye.
Oh, poor baby.
So that's why she's in captivity.
Cute. Oh, look, the other one's hugging or tied into bubble butt. She's so pretty.
Let's make our way over to the turtle rehab. Things we've learned so far, at least inside I read that they have a great sense of smell. They don't have any teeth. They have inner ears. There's no ears sticking out. They can't cry. And fully grown, their brain is the size of a walnut. Over to Butterfly Garden and you'll see that the floor is marked with little stickers showing which way to go for the butterflies. Self-guided tour, so you can go ahead and use your little QR code to learn what to find where. I think it's so beautiful seeing moss like this growing on rocks. Nature's just amazing. Lou is getting bitten hardcore in here, so she wants to head out. We're gonna walk to the boardwalk, which is still part of the sanctuary. So let's see what we find over there. I think being closer to the water, there'll be less mosquitoes. She is taking off. I've got Lou way ahead and then Zoe way behind us. Well, not way. There she is. Working our way to the boardwalk. So inside, if I'm not mistaken, either closes at 3 or 4. But the boardwalk itself, as you saw from that little sign, it's open after hours. So you can come and walk through the little trail, which is 0.33 miles. Is Zoe being your spotter of birds for you to look with the binoculars?
And there's another one.
Yeah.
Light red, kind of, sort of up. So.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah.
Oh,
And she just hopped up. Yeah.
damn you. Stupid bird.
There's bats here.
Yeah, look.
We would have to probably come at sundown to catch some of them.
Oh, no, they're
All of these are black mangroves, and they're basically rooted here because we're right off the ocean. We're working our way towards the intercoastal, so we can check out the water there. Let's go see. You can kind of get a glimpse from here.
On the other side of like, yeah, on the left, between basically, yeah. Yeah. Look, do you see it poking out of the water? Like the fins are coming up out of the water.
So did they scuba dive?
Mm-hmm. That's what the lady said, that people come and scuba dive right here, and that all those fish that we saw in the aquarium, you can see right here. Which kind of, now that I think about it in retrospect, a lot of the sea turtles do get injured by these boats.
Yep.
Hence, yeah, a lot of these sea turtles get injured by boats, so them being right off the intercoastal, it's easy access to see them and capture them and help them, rehabilitate them. Alright, you guys, we hope you enjoyed our little visit here at Gumbo Limbo
Nature Center
in Boca Raton, Florida. If you did, please give us a big thumbs up. Comment down below with what are your favorite sanctuaries, because they have them all over, right? Oh, there's a beautiful bird right there. Look, flying around. Squirrel. Subscribe.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get notified every time we upload a video. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.
Bye, guys.